Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can fix if Play Store app is not working properly or Play Store app download problem. For example, if you're facing any issue while downloading any apps using Google Play Store, for example, if you search any app and if you try to install one app from Google Play Store and it is not downloading, so there is a problem with Google Play Store app download problem. How you can fix this? I'll show you four simple steps. You can try these troubleshooting steps each and every one by one, so that you may try to fix this problem. First of all, switch between Wi-Fi and your mobile data and try to check whether you can download apps or not, and check whether your internet connection is sound and proper, and if everything is fine, just restart your mobile and check it once, and try to clear the cache and data of the Play Store so it may work properly. So how to do that? Just press and hold on your app and click on this I symbol, info symbol, and go to storage usage and see here clear data. If you click on this, all the data means the temporary files on this particular phone gets cleared. And if it asks you to log into your Gmail account once more, just log in with your Gmail account, because most probably when you clear the cache and data, your Gmail account which you signed in may be lost, so you need to relog in again and just relog in again. And most of you don't know that you can update Play Store. So if your Play Store app is not up to date, you need to update it. So how you can update? Open Play Store app, click on the profile picture at right top corner and click on settings here, and under settings you'll see general, this one, and click on about, the last option, and scroll down and see here Play Store version and update Play Store. See, currently now my Play Store is not the updated one, so there is update available, so you need to tap on this and you need to update it. So yeah, if there is update available, you can update it. And now once restart your mobile and check whether the problem is solved or not. And now you need to check with your mobile internal storage. See here, if your device storage is too full and has less memory, then also this problem occurs, Play Store app download problem occurs. So delete some unwanted videos or images or large files on your mobile, and then restart your mobile and check it once, and the problem may get solved. So if nothing works out, just remove your Google Play Store account, means this account, log out from this and try to relog in again. Means just remove the Google account from this device and relog in again. So how to remove the account from this? You can click on Android settings and then click on, see here, Google. Yeah, see here, you need to click on this forward symbol, then click on manage accounts on this device, then Google, then click on that particular Gmail account, then click on the three dots and click on remove account and freshly add the account once, and restart your mobile and try to check whether the problem got resolved or not. If nothing worse, you can factory reset your mobile, but factory resetting your mobile is not recommended because all your data, photos, videos and everything gets deleted. So if you can take a backup to a computer or something like that, you can do a factory reset, but most probably factory reset won't be needed. By doing the above troubleshooting steps, your problem gets solved. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.